Okay, here's a free way to make you another tool. You ever see the banding material? It could be this style or it could be the black banding material, plastic. Grab it. Get you about 4 foot on each side. We'll turn around, put the sides right here, and just pull it out straight. And once you do that, you notice it comes right here to a point. Take that and just squeeze it down. Squeeze it in half. There you go. You just made your own strap tool. And if you want to get real fancy, you can put a piece of little sandpaper in there. I suggest not to, because I don't like messing up people's stuff. With this right here being this way, you want to squeeze it every now and then just to make sure that it stays formed. You could put pliers on there, but if you do, you might start breaking that. But hey, another free tool. And this will work on a lot of vertical buttons. And sometimes you don't even have to bag the door with this harder plastic. But another trick to get into a locked vehicle. Thanks again for watching. Click that button down there and stay safe.